Hi, my name's Alex with Infratrend, and today we're going to talk about our Eon Cloud Gateway. Because in today's businesses, file sharing between enterprises make transactions easier. But how would you connect the data center in your enterprise to the cloud? Well, the answer is with Infratrend's Eon Cloud Gateway. Because you don't need to change the IT environment that you're used to. You don't need to install new software, nor set up new servers. You can seamlessly connect your local storage to the cloud and simply share your files with anyone, anywhere in the world. You just need to follow 3 steps.
So let's get started. First, choose a cloud service provider, and we support major cloud services. Then enter your access key and click OK. Choose a cloud bucket you want to connect to. Here's the second step. You'll create a local folder that connects to the cloud. Click on the plus icon to create a data syncing task. Choose the syncing direction. Then choose a local share folder. And choose a destination folder on the cloud. Now click OK to finish the task setup. The 2 chosen folders are now connected with each other and ready to run the task. Here comes the final step. You're going to sync your data to the cloud. It's now syncing your local data to the cloud. For more information on Eon Cloud Gateway, come visit our official website and social media platforms. Thank you from Infratrend.